ascetic who tortured himself. Once, an ascetic heard that the holiest people were those who endured sufferings and tortured their bodies. The ascetic decided to test this theory. Thus, he went to live in the darkest of the forests to be away from any human contact. He ate dirt and ashes. In the summer season, he spent his days under the trees, thereby being burnt by the bright rays of the sun. During the winter season, he got covered with snow. Thus, he tortured his body throughout the different seasons. This was how he passed his life. Then one day, he had a vision in which he saw himself in hell. The ascetic realized that despite going through such severities, he would still go to hell. Therefore, after that, he gave up torturing himself. The tree spirit. Once, a king wished for a palace supported on only one column, unlike the other palaces that were supported by many columns. The builder spotted a strong sal tree in the royal garden whose trunk could be used as a column. But this tree was a sacred tree and worshipped by people. A spirit lived in the tree. The spirit thought, if they cut my tree, the other trees will also be harmed. It went to the king and said, I have lived on this tree for many years. Now it is to be cut, but I request you to cut it in such a way that the other trees will not be harmed if it falls. The king was taken aback by this humble request. He realized that the tree spirit was ready to sacrifice its tree but did not want any harm to the other trees. He, therefore, cancelled the idea of a new palace. The wild elephant. Once an ascetic found a baby elephant and reared it as his own. The elephant started growing up over the years. The other ascetics were scared of keeping a wild elephant in their premises. The ascetic's teacher advised him, as long as the elephant was a baby, it was okay to keep it in the hermitage. But now that it has grown up, it is dangerous to keep the elephant here. It may lose its temper and become wild at any moment. The ascetic did not pay heed to his teacher's advice. He thought, I have reared the elephant as my own baby. It will never harm me. Now one day, all the ascetics left the hermitage to perform a ceremony except the one who raised the elephant. Suddenly, the elephant lost its temper and started trampling everything that got in its way. The elephant did not spare its master as well. When the teacher returned, he said, if only he would have listened to me. The man who read footprints. A man once had special powers. He could read footprints. The king was impressed with his powers and made him his minister. One day, the king himself committed a crime. He and his priest stole the public money and hid it in a safe place. People were upset when they found the money missing. There was a great uproar. They wanted to know who had stolen the money. The minister with the special powers was called upon. He immediately knew who the culprits were, but did not divulge their names. But the people were adamant to know their names. Finally, the minister divulged the names. People were shocked to know that it was the king himself and his priest. They were so mad at the pair that they banished them from the kingdom. After that, they made the minister their king and he ruled justly.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.